How to redeem Amazon gift card in Amazon. If you've got an Amazon gift card and you're not sure how to redeem it, don't worry, I'm here to walk you through it. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to redeem your Amazon gift card and start using it for your next purchase. Let's dive right in. First things first, you can open your Amazon app or you can simply go to the Amazon website on your phone. Now make sure you sign into your account. If you're not already logged in, simply tap or click on the sign in piece at the top right corner and simply enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, simply click on the account tab. In the account menu, scroll down and look for the option that says gift cards. Here, as you can see in the payment section, manage gift card balance, simply tap on it. Here, you can simply tap redeem another gift card. You'll be prompted to enter the code from your gift card. Just take your gift card and simply enter, either type in the 14-character code or scan it with your phone if you have the physical card. If you're using an e-gift card, simply paste the code you received in your email. Once you've entered the code, simply tap apply to your account and your balance should now be updated and you'll be able to see your gift card balance in the gift card section. And that's it. Amazon gift card balance is now added to your account and you can use it for your next purchase. And there you have it. You've successfully redeemed your Amazon gift card and can now use it to shop for whatever you want.